I'm Dr. Vivek Gupta. I'm Senior Cardiologist, Apollo Hospital, Delhi. Let me introduce our team. We are performing a case of renal angioplasty. Our team is our junior assistant is Dr. Pranav, and then our nurse and the senior most technician, Mr. Avtar. I would like to tell you that these technicians are the most important for giving a good successful procedure. And Mr. Avtar has been instrumental for last almost 20 years in our cath lab. I have been here since 1998 when we started working together. So this is a case of aortic arteritis where we are going to perform the renal angioplasty. Let me introduce the guide wire and the catheters. Can you put on the light on this side? So this is a RDC catheter which is going inside the renal artery through the femoral arterial sheath in the groin. And this is the femoral venous sheath just for giving in case we need to give some infusions, IV or fast fluids. And this is the system and this is the wire. The guide wire is already inside the renal artery as I'll show you in the picture. And then we can just show you the, can you just take on this side? Can you just zoom here? Yeah, so this is the picture where I have already done the balloon and the wire. After this we did the ballooning. That means inflation of the balloon just to give a proper space creation. And this is after the balloon angioplasty. This is the plain balloon angioplasty which has been performed, the shot taken after this. Now we are taking the stent inside in order to have a good further dilatation. This is the balloon. This is the second time balloon dilatation done with a 3.5 millimeter into 18 millimeter balloon. Now come back to show the stent. Just show the stent. This is the coronary. This is the stent, which is the renal stent, 5 millimeter size. It is a hollow cylinder on the balloon. So this stent we are taking it inside, and this will through this Tuohy catheter. It will reach the renal area. We just go there. I'll show how the stent is going. So this stent is now going, and very clearly it is going inside the renal artery. We'll do a quick shot to find out the right placement. And then we will see that yes, we can see that it is well placed here. And so what we'll do, we'll just pull the precise positioning of the stent is very important. So we are taking the shots, I think pulling a little more, yeah. And then we're starting from the coronary, from the ostium of the renal artery. And yeah, this is the right placement. I think we'll just deploy it here, or should we pull it a little more? And now we go for the inflation of the stent quickly. And you will just watch how this will go. Are you sure with are you satisfied? A little, I think we'll just pull it a little more so that it starts with the ostium. So I'll just check it again. And I'm quite satisfied with the positioning now. And we'll go up, we'll go slowly. And this is how the stent is being deployed. Yeah, and she has pain here. We go to the 10 atmospheres, not more than this. I think we'll just keep it here, and this after this we will quickly deflate. Show here, show this side here, and this is deflated. We remove the balloon, and you can see the stent now there. I'm removing the balloon out so that we have a good. This is the balloon is gone out, and we'll take a final shot, and we'll see that the stent is fully placed. Oh, this is perfect. You can see the picture which was earlier showing about 60% stenosis. So we have removed the stent. We have done a successful renal angioplasty in a patient of aortic arteritis by putting a stent in few minutes time. I think it did not take more than 2 minutes. And then let me introduce our team, the technician Avtar, the nurse, Dr. Pranav, and myself. And the patient is having little pain because of the stretching of the renal artery. And so this we have done about 5 minutes procedure, a case of renal angioplasty and stenting done perfectly. And there is the two nurses also. They can also come in the picture. We are just staying here because the lab is very good. And okay, and just so we are back to this place. So this whole is the cath lab area. So the procedure of angioplasty does not take more than 5 minutes to 10 minutes if we do it well. Come back. But this was the Hercules stent of 5 millimeter size. So I must tell you that this procedure of angioplasty and stenting is a quick procedure, and the patient is reasonably all right. Thank you very much.